Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an all-seated routine, super simple yet effective to help you burn back fat and back rolls. All right, let's get right into it. First exercise is a torso twist. All right, so isolating your upper body and just twisting it side to side while our lower body stays still. All right, a little bit easier when you're sitting. It takes a little bit more control when you're standing, but this exercise is great not only for your back but also your core, all right, which is all connected. All right. Nice warm up. I love doing this in the morning to get started. Very good. Breathe, chin up. All right, try not to come in here. Boom. Press those shoulders away from your ears. And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. Moving on to monkey pumps, all right? Arms start out here, 90-degree angle, close in, squeeze your chest, open, and then up, and coming right back to that 90-degree angle, all right? That's where the control comes in. So we're not coming here or just halfway, all right? Boom, 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 up, control, all right? Nice tight arms, moving with intention. Right, squeeze your chest here and then squeezing your shoulders here without lifting them. So pushing them down, all right? Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Very good. Next, we are doing a windmill, all right? So at the edge of your seat, wider stance, hands out to the side, and you're gonna reach for opposite foot, all right? Boom. And then up and other side. Now, where does this come in with your back? You're using your back muscles to come down straight, all right? Good straight posture, all right? And then coming straight back up as well. All right, twisting and straight, very good. Without arching and opening your rib cage. So close that rib cage, control, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Arms out to the side for our next exercise. We have a W squeeze. All right, so arms out, and then we squeeze our shoulder blades, squeeze our back in a W form, and then coming out again and repeat. All right, very good. But when you squeeze in that W form, make sure you're not opening up like this. You're not squeezing back like this. Boom, lock it in, close that rib cage, straight spine, protect your back, all right? You're just squeezing your shoulder blades, but not arching, all right? Control, very good. If it helps, if you wanna do instead, just put your arms back, so just squeezing your shoulder blades instead of coming to a W form, you can just squeeze your shoulder blades like this, all right, and then come back to neutral and repeat. But remember, we're not going like this. All right, control. And if you don't know how to zip up your rib cage, we have a video here on our YouTube channel where Mare explains it. Just search. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Last but not least, we have a hip hinge. So wide stance, kind of like the windmill, except we're not twisting and reaching for opposite. Hands behind your ears. All right, and we're coming down with a straight back, and then coming right back up, all right? And repeat. Very good. And I say to hold behind your ears instead of behind your head so that you're not pulling on your neck, all right? So holding behind your ears and just focusing on that nice straight spine. This is also a nice little stretch for your hips, all right? If you go down low, you'll feel it in your hips as well. And 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Very, very good. Set 1 done and dusted. Moving on to set number 2, big breath. Starting with our torso twist, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. Monkey pumps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, wide stance for windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up and shake it out. Very good. W squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, wide stance, finishing strong with our hip hinge. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, release and celebrate. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job. 1 more to go. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. Monkey pumps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, wide stance for windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up and shake it out. Very good. W squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Wide stance. Finishing strong with our hip hinge. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, release. Oh. And that was it. 3 sets of your seated back fat, back rolls, be gone, burn workout. Let me know if you loved it. What was your favorite exercise? What would you like to see more of? Where are you tuning in from? We read all your comments, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.